Question 22. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay. So it's fraction, so just time with 5 times 2x minus 1 plus 4 times 3x plus 2 divided by 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1. Okay. This should equal to 10x minus 5 plus 12x plus 8. Everything divided by 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1. The denominator can just ignore, just leave it like that. No need to expand, okay? So expand, simplify, so 10x plus 12x minus 5 plus 8, I rearrange over 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. That should equal to 10x plus 12, you get 22x minus plus 3 over 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1. Close bracket. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.